Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. You're joining me in video number 1 of a 5-part series. It's one of my shameless bribe series. I am trying to do Stampin' Up's challenge to better my best April, and I need your help to do that. So if you are interested in taking me up on my offer, I have a 5-part series and a class packet at the end. So we're going to make this Sprinkled with Love card, and it features the Stampin' Up Carnival Treats Host Exclusive stamp set. This will be the last Stampin' Up Host Exclusive stamp set. With the new rewards program, there won't be exclusives, and I love this stamp set. So here's the offer, and then I'll show you the other projects included in the packet. Place a $150 order with me in April. You have until April 30th. I would act sooner rather than later because the Carnival Treats stamp set is a host exclusive, and we are now in the last chance list. So things do sell out. Stampin' Up will give you the Carnival Treats stamp set. You can redeem it with your host rewards. It's item number 162937. Stampin' Up will give you the stamp set for free, and I will give you the class. And the class is 2 cards and 3 treats. The treats will be included in your class packet, so you will get all the treats that you see here. Let me show you. All right, so in video number 1, we'll do Sprinkled with Love. In video number 2, we're going to do the donut box. Yes, there are donuts inside. Let me show you. Hold on, hold on. All right, so I found these little donut erasers on Amazon. Aren't they cute? I will leave a link for you in the description. And this little box holds 3 little donut erasers. I will include your 3 erasers in your class packet. And then this is project number 3 in the series. This is our popcorn pencil sleeve, and I will include the popcorn pencil in your class packet. Isn't that just so cute? Okay, and then our next is the You Brighten My Days card, and our last project is this With Love treat box, and the With Love treat box will also include some cotton candy bubblegum. So I found these cotton candy double bubble on Amazon, and the box holds one of these cotton candy bubblegum sleeves, and the package of bubblegum will be included in your class packet too. All right, so the offer, $150. You use the host rewards, get the Carnival Treats stamp set, and you will automatically be sent one of these packets after April 30th because we're using the brand new in colors, and it can only order limited quantities until May 1st. So this is a modified card, shortcut card sketch number 2. What we did was we turned the shortcut card sketch landscape instead of horizontal, and then just shortened our strips a little bit. Instead of 5 strips that are 1 or that are 3/4 of an inch by 4.5, I did 5 strips that are 1 by 4. So just a little modification there. It just shows you that our shortcut card sketches, there are 12 of them available at kitchentablestamper.com for free, are a really great resource to start out. Now these are the new 2024-2026 in colors. Pretty in Pink, which is a returning color, and Shy Shamrock, Peach Pie, Summer Splash, and Petunia Pop. Let's go ahead and adhere those to the card front. I'm going to use some liquid glue. The class packet that I'm offering will include 2 6x6 sheets of each of the designer series papers. You can see there's 4 patterns. As I flip them to put the glue on, you can see the new in color patterns as I go. And you will get 2 sheets of each color, so you'll get all 4 patterns represented. There's the dots and stripes, which I love with the Carnival Treats, but on the other side of the stripes is a floral, and on the other side of the dots is this kind of, I don't know, it's like a Venetian almost. I don't know what it is. It's really pretty. Can you see that in the summer splash? And so you will get the like a sample pack of designer series paper to use as you want to on your 5 projects. You'll also get a sample pack of all the ribbons so that you can use whichever color you want on your projects. So here's Summer Splash, Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Petunia Pop, and Shy Shamrock. I'm going to give you 2 feet of each color for a total of 10 feet. That's over 3 yards of ribbon that'll be included in your kit too. All right, we used Shy Shamrock on this one, so I think we're gonna go a little bit wild and use the Summer Splash on our second copy. I'm gonna do this live with a color comparison on Friday, and we're going to first make the card and then compare the new in colors with existing colors and retired colors. So check out my Facebook and YouTube channels if you want a color comparison video for the live from Friday, April 5th. All right, so we've got our ribbon cut. Let's do a little bit of stamping here. I've got Pretty in Pink. Let's put those to the side. And Pecan Pie. I like Pecan Pie for this donut, so it's going to be kind of our accent color. The card base is the new Basic Beige. Have you guys seen the Basic Beige yet? All right, Stampin' Pierce Matte, because I'm using Sprinkled with Love for my sentiment. I'm stamping it on this irregular hexagon. It's the second from the smallest, used or cut using the Nested Essentials dies. We'll cut that for you for your packet. We're going to go ahead and stamp that one on. Sprinkled with Love is from the Bright Skies stamp set. That's where I got all of my sentiments, because unfortunately Carnival treats didn't have sentiments included, but this amazing Bright Skies stamp set has awesome fonts and 2 very appropriate sentiments. All right, let's get this guy stamped up to the left of center and aside. I love that font with this images. Now I've got some basic white cardstock scrap, and we're gonna have to stamp and then clean and change colors. We're gonna do a little paper piecing here. Oh, that looks pretty good, I think. And I'm gonna clean that up. Now, if you're following this video and you're going to do your class packet because you've earned one, you come back to look at the video, what you want to do is stamp 2 of these donuts, one for this project and one for the donut box that we'll be making in video number 2 on batch work. All right, now we've got Pretty in Pink. We're gonna stamp one there. And we're gonna have to do just a little bit of donut surgery here. And for me, I would like to have this inside edge of my donut to be like brown cake. And so I'm going to fussy cut the hole from the pink one and then fussy cut out and adhere to my donut. So we're gonna do a little paper piecing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First thing I'm gonna do is separate these guys. And then I'm going to grab a self-healing mat. You can use your glass mat for this. I didn't get mine out, and I should have, but you can use your glass mat for this. And an X-Acto knife. Now I keep forgetting, on the next order, I wrote it down to get the craft tips for my Take Your Pick tool, because the craft tips has an X-Acto knife. Little story while I cut this out. I'm gonna cut out the center first, just using a blade. This is actually the self-healing mat and X-Acto knife that I used back when I was in college. I have an associate's degree in art, and I had to dig deep into the craft supplies to find this. So I cannot wait to get my new craft tips, because I don't know how sharp or dull this blade is. It was set aside with no safety cap or anything, but that's my story. Now you guys know me a little bit better. I had to dig deep to find an X-Acto knife, but I just cut out the center of my donut. And now when I paper piece the pink over the brown, I'm going to have that proper perspective there. All right, let's do a quick fussy cut. For the pink, we're going to cut off between the cake and the frosting, just right along, maybe split that white line. I don't want to cut on the pink either side. We just want it to kind of lay right in where it's supposed to. There's no prize for cutting it out all in one piece. If it's in your way, lob it off. And then we're gonna cut out this guy, but leave the cake. Leave the center. Nothing fancy here. Just trim it with a little white border. And a little liquid glue. And just find the line. Now you've got your beautiful pink frosted cake donut. Now we're going to take it a step further. Take a look at my donut here. We're going to color our sprinkles. I have the new 2024-2026 in color Stampin' Up markers. Now these are the new style of Stampin' Up, which I hadn't seen up until now because I didn't get the core color pack when they changed styles, because I didn't want all my Stampin' Rights that I had in the old style to have the new core color pack with a different tips. I know, I'm crazy. I'm taking Pretty in Pink out. I really do love these. I'm going to start with the Summer Splash, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and do about 9, maybe 8 sprinkles. Just make a line and kind of spread them out. We want them random-ish. All right, then I'm going to move to Petunia Pop. And I'm going to do maybe 6 or 7 sprinkles. In each color, I do less sprinkles and just spread them out, kind of random-ish. And I found that gave me a good balance. Then I'm going to do my peach pie, and this one I'll do like 5 and just spread them out. And then I'll do what's left of the sprinkles with Shy Shamrock. Is that not the cutest thing you have ever seen in your whole life? Worth the cost of admission right there. All right, now let's go ahead and get some dimensionals on the back of that. And I've gone ahead for a little contrast and punched from pecan pie, this little scallopy thing. What this is a scrap of pecan pie cut with the handmade tags. Love this handmade tag punch. It will be on last chance sale for $17.60. Very useful punch for this shape, but also for this way of adding like a little interest to your card. Just cut the scallops and glue them to anywhere you want a little pop of color. So very worth $17.60 to have in your collection. All right, now the ribbon is folded in half, and we're gonna tie it with some linen thread, make a bow. You're trying to decide what to order in April for $150 to get those Carnival Treat Host exclusive stamp set. Do take a look. April 9th, we are going to have a huge sale. Punches and dies are going to be greatly reduced. There's lots of embellishments and ribbons that are going to be greatly reduced. The new catalog will not have the selection of ribbons that we have now, coordinating, matching to Stampin' Up colors. So stock up some ribbons so you'll have things that match, a little bit more variety than what's just current going into the next year. grab some embellishments at really great prices, and then also take a look at what is going to increase in price. There is a post at kitchentablestamper.com where it's titled Price Increases Ahead, and you can see right from the post there's a printable list of things that are going to all increase in price. So if you like our envelopes or our basic white cardstock, if you like our solid color cardstock, if you like our punches, check out the punch clearance on April 9th, but also grab any carrying over that you have had on your wish list, because punches are going up $1 or $2 each. You could grab any bundles, even if they're carrying over, and get the bundle discount on those stamps and tool combos that you've had your eye on. And then if there are bundles that are retiring that you've had your eye on, take a look at the die sale, because we have lots of bundles in the catalog right now that the bundle discount is nice, but to buy the dies at a discount and the stamps separate will give you a lower price than the bundle price. So there's so much good going on right now, and any order that you place helps me to better my best in April. And any order that you place of 150 or more is going to get you a really cute stamp set from Stampin' Up, exclusive hosts, the last one, and a great class packet from me. All right, so we've applied our ribbon with tear and tape adhesive. Now we've got our sprinkled with love. All right, I'm going to trim the tails a little bit so that they don't go past the end of the card. I'm actually going to change my angle on this one too so that they go in towards each other. There. Pop our donut. I hope you're liking the sneak peek here of the new in colors. I am very happy, very pleased with them. I needed a happy color palette, and we definitely got it in this new in colors. This is the 2024-2026 in color shimmer gems, one of 2 embellishments. Now, saying that we don't have a wide selection of ribbon this time, I also have to give Stampin' Up credit for having a very nice selection of embellishments. So I used the Petunia Pop on our original. Let's grab some Summer Splash for this one. Oh, it matches our ribbon. That was unintentional. Oh well. I was going to mix them all up so that each card represented the colors, but that's all right. We got the Splash, Summer Splash ribbon and embellishments on this one. This one is the Shy Shamrock ribbon and Petunia Pop embellishments. And this is our last host exclusive stamp set, Carnival Treats. Who knows, maybe Stampin' Up will offer some things that you can only get with the new rewards, but there is nothing in the next catalog. So I don't know, I think host exclusives might be a thing of the past, and this one is a really cute stamp set and kind of sentimental. So if you're interested in the offer, or if you have any questions, if there's anything I can do to help you stay crafty, email Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, place that order for $150, no host code. You use the rewards and get Carnival Treats, and I'll send you this class packet. MarisaAlvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in video number 2.